Say box. Box. And the first sound for box is B for bouncy, bin. B for bouncy, bin. Say box. And the first sound is B for bouncy, bin. Can you see this computer B here? Can you see the computer B? Now this is the name of a child, ne? Or teacher, or mommy, or daddy. Whose name is Barry? Do you have a father's name Barry?
Yes.
Do you have your mother's name Belinda?
Yes.
Do you have a father or uncle's name Brian?
Yes.
Do you have is your uncle's name Brian? Okay. And do you have Beulah?
Yes.
Whose mother's name is Beulah? So their names start with the computer B. Can you see this big computer B?
Yes.
But when we write box, we write the small one. The small B. Can you see the small B?
Yes.
Very clever. Now all the things that start with B, let's take it out of the box. What is this, girls and boys? Banana. What is this, girls and boys? Bear. What is that, girls and boys? It's a bun. A bun. What could this be? What could this be? Blood. Blood. What could this be? Bee. Bear. A buffalo. Bear. What color is this? And the first sound for blue is B for bouncy. Bear. What sound is this? B. B for bouncy. Bear. B for bouncy, bin. If you like our video, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.